what's up? This is Louis Chandler Channel. Today we're doing the
Marble Track Experiment.
And yeah, we're gonna be pretty much building something here and racing marbles down it and tracking our time.
That's right. So in this experiment, we're going to build everything from scratch, and we've got sort of 6 steps here that we're going to follow in order to do our experiment. We're going to do, well, the first step is to figure out what is the objective of what we're doing.
The objective is to build a marble track that works for many size marbles, and to test different marbles to see which one is the fastest to complete the track.
That's right. The next step we're going to do is take an inventory of all of our supplies to make sure we have what we need. Then we're going to design the track. We're going to build the track, and then we're going to run the tests and see what kind of results we get. We're going to take you along with us on each of the steps so you can see how we're doing it, and we hope you enjoy it.
And make sure to check out the time-lapse video of us building it.
Okay, let's get started.
Hey guys, we took an inventory and these are the ones we have. So first we have 23 big rolls, 23 big rolls right there, and then 18 small rolls, 5 big popsicle sticks, 36 small popsicle sticks. The tape colors we have green and blue. Clothespins we have 2. Glue sticks we have 3. We have 1 bowl here. Maybe at the end it will catch the marbles. And then we have 8 different types of marbles right there. We have the big marble, the medium-sized marble, the clear marble with different swirls, the clear marble with blue swirls, the green marble with swirls, the white marble with swirls, and the blue marble with swirls, and last but not least, the black marble, just the black.
No, that's blue. Oh yeah, that's black.
And then we have 1 roll of foil, 1 ruler, and 1 piece of paper.
Okay, so the next step is to design our track. We're going to use this piece of paper we have here as our background to design the track, and the track is going to go up here on this wall right here. Yes, right there. Right. Okay, so we're gonna use these little. These are like little pieces of paper that we cut to the same scale as our paper rolls.
So this one represents a small one.
Yeah.
This one represents a big roll.
Yeah.
This one represents a small roll cut in half.
Yeah.
This represents a big one cut in half.
Right.
We didn't make one for every single item we have. That just take a million years.
No, we're just gonna draw it with our hands with a pencil and stuff like that. So, we're gonna work on designing the track,
and we'll show you the finished project.
and we will show it to you when we come back. Okay, here we are. We're doing our design. We've got our design, we think, pretty close. And so we're just gluing down the pieces so that we can be really accurate with our track. And once we get it all glued down, we'll show you what's going to happen. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes.
It's time. We're done with the design. The design is right here. We have all of our things glued in. So
why don't you point at the top and show them how the marbles are going to go.
This is the top. This little pencil mark right there is where like a lever that is gonna we're gonna pull, and then the marble's gonna go down through here into these closed tubes. It's gonna go down. Hopefully not bust this open and fly down here. Hopefully it goes down here, hits this, rolls down, goes through this tunnel, goes through here, and then right here is a hole. So the marble could pass over this hole, just go over here and go down here, or it can go through the hole and have a shortcut down to here. And so the marbles some marbles want to go down here and some marbles don't. The bigger marbles do not want to go down here because they might hit it here and break it. But the small marbles, they do. So, and I think the hole's not going to be big enough for the big ones. So, and then for the big ones, they're going to go down here, come here, and then they're going to go down here, and then go through this tunnel, this small tunnel, come down here, and then we have a popsicle stick bridge. We're gonna make them out of popsicle sticks, and this is gonna be a big popsicle stick, so it's like that, but except a big popsicle stick, so it does not, so they don't go over. And it's gonna come here. It's gonna go down. It's gonna have a small, just a little small hill, and then it's gonna go onto here, through the tube, down this tube, onto here, roll down here, through this big tube, through a small, and then through a open small tube, and then into a big tube, and then into the bowl, and that's when we will stop the time.
Okay, so what we've done here is we've created this model in scale. So this is 3 inches. 3 inches equals 1 foot. So what that means,
We get our ruler here.
is that every 3 inches is equal to a real foot. So if we look at these big tubes, they are almost a foot long, and that's the real case.
If you take a big tube, we're gonna put it over here and put the ruler down. You can see
Almost.
they are almost a foot long.
So this is 11 inches long.
Our scale is correct. So we will now use this to take measurements and
Transfer it to our wall over here, and then we will be able to run our tests. So now this next phase is the build phase, which is going to take some time, so we're going to do a time lapse. We will see you when we're done.
Back from building. Doesn't it look cool?
Super cool.
So this is where we are on our list. So we've done objective. We've done inventory. We've done design. We've done build. And now we're testing. So let's start. Okay. So over here.
Hey, guys, I have an idea. Why don't you use the other whiteboard, the one we used for inventory? You could clear it off so we could write down the test results.
Okay. We'll see you guys when we put all the names of everything. Guys, we put down the names of all of our things. So the first one is black hole.
Nice.
Second one is crazy cat's eye.
Crazy cat's eye. Wow.
Third one, white swirl.
White swirl.
The fourth one, slime swirl.
Slime. Ooh, looks like slime. Slime swirl.
The fifth one, ocean swirl.
Ocean.
No, that's this one.
Ocean swirl.
Ocean
Yeah, there it
swirl.
is. Okay.
Sixth one, blue ball of chaos.
The blue ball of chaos.
This one, maybe. Look at those things.
Ooh, crazy, yeah.
And the seventh one, media ocean. So
Media ocean.
it's
Bigger
medium
version.
sized. So, but then we have big orange, but sadly he will not be competing because
No.
he might break the track, and we don't want that. So
Yeah, okay, so no big orange. We're gonna cross orange off the list. Okay.
Now it's test.
Okay, hold on. Hey, Middleborough, I don't think you can reach, so we're gonna have to. You can be down at the bottom collecting them.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Easy, you can do it.
Okay.
Big
first
blow.
up,
Big blow.
black hole.
Okay, black hole's the first up. Okay, give me a countdown.
3, 2,
Wait,
go.
wait.
3, 2, 1, go. Going down. Oh, here it goes. Still going.
All right. Good job. That was cool.
Woo!
So,
What's the
which
time?
one was it?
Black hole.
That was black hole. Okay, so black hole
Where's the marker?
gets. I think it fell on
I
the
just
floor.
couldn't find the marker, but we found it now. So,
Okay, so the time for black hole is 7 seconds, 0.77. 7.77 seconds for black
wow,
hole.
that was a good one. Black hole.
Pretty good.
Okay, next
Okay.
one. Crazy cat, guys. We're doing Crazy Cat's eye. I think he's up there. Yep, he's up there. So let's get to it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! He's going down. Wow, he's fast. He's going down. Wow. He's going down. Oh,
He
he
made
fell
All
out.
right.
He
Wow,
made
that was
it.
pretty fast.
Wait, but he did fall out here, so we will have to boot plus 1 second.
Okay, where did he fall out?
Radio.
Oh. Yeah, do we need to do that again, or is
No,
that just a
No,
Plus 1 second.
1 second's a long time in this little race?
So let's do plus. Let's just redo it, because
Yeah, we'll redo it. Okay, hold on. Let's clear the timer.
just so you guys, if you want to know, that was 6 seconds and 6.99 seconds.
Okay, hold on. Are we ready?
Oh.
Okay, go.
Hey! Oh my goodness!
Super fast.
Wait, did he go down the hole?
What?
Did he go down this one?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't.
Yep.
Did it?
Yep.
Wow, that would be the first one to do
Wow!
that.
First one, Crazy Cat's
We'll have to
Eye.
check the video footage and see, but the time for Crazy Cat's Eye is 6 seconds, 0.8,
New
Three.
record.
6.83. New record.
New
Crazy
leader.
Cat's Eye.
Ooh,
Crazy
Okay.
Cat's Eye.
So who's up next?
ooh.
White swirl.
White Swirl. Okay.
Come on. See, you can beat it.
Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, you did not make it through the whole thing.
Hey!
Wow, that was a pretty good run, but not as fast as Crazy Cat's Eye.
7:41.
7.41 seconds for White Swirl.
Woo. Okay, wow, black hole is not doing very well.
Here's a full
Good.
Next one,
No.
slime swirl.
Okay, Slime Swirl. Make sure you give me a good countdown, okay?
3, 2, 1, go! There he goes. He did not go down the swamp, that thing.
Oh, pretty fast. We have a new winner, I think.
Oh!
6.75 seconds. All right.
new record.
Yeah.
Wow, that was fast. Okay.
All right, who's the next one?
Ocean swirl.
Ocean Swirl.
See, Motion so it could beat this.
Hold on, guys.
Just resetting the,
We're resetting our timer here. Okay.
3, 2, 1,
Wow, that was even faster.
What? What?
Yeah, 6.41 seconds.
Oh, that's one whole second.
Hey, middle bro,
7.41.
don't put your hands over the bowl because I can't see it come out. It makes it a little harder for me to stop the time. Okay. All right. So, next one up.
Next one.
Blue ball of chaos.
Chaos.
Hmm.
This one I kind of favoriting.
I love that one and the other blue
Hoping this one
and the black one.
can get a Vic.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that was so close.
Oh, we got a disqualification.
No.
He gets the second chance. Second chance
And if he
run.
doesn't do this, disqualification.
Yeah, you only get 2 chances.
3, 2, 1, go!
We'll start.
False start. Hold on. Clear the.
Oh, it's going.
Don't pull down on it. It might break.
Okay.
Okay. Start it over again here.
3,
Hold on. Timer. Remember.
3, 2, 1, go! He's going down. There he goes. He's going down. He's speeding up. Oh, we have
Oh, disqualified. Didn't make it all the way through.
Come on.
But
Where was
window.
where was the faulty? Where was the
Fell
faulty?
out right here.
Right
That-
there.
always falls out.
It's interesting. I wonder why it's hopping right there, guys. That's crazy.
It makes me bounces like bounce.
Okay, we've got now the medium one.
AC, what if it bounces, bounce, get it,
Hey,
then bounce,
guys.
and then win and heal?
Whoa. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, medium ball. Here we go.
Oh, wow. Hey!
Wow, 6.89. Really fast for the medium ball.
Okay. 6.89. Who is the
Okay,
winner?
so here's what I think we do.
Oh, we forgot to put blue ball chaos's time. Oh, yeah, he got
Yeah,
DQ.
just exit. Yeah, DQ. All right. So, I think we take the 3 fastest times
And race them together.
and race them together. Well, no, not together, but we'll do another race off.
Okay.
So it's gonna be Crazy Cat's Eye,
Yep, and so
White Swirl, and
No, not white swirl. That's 7.41. So it's
Oh,
slime swirl
Slime Swirl. Yeah,
and
Ocean Swirl. Ocean Swirl, Slime Swirl, and Crazy Cat's Eye. This is for the championship here, guys.
So
Hey,
comment down below
hey,
which
Big Bro.
one.
Comment down below which one.
comment
is
down
gonna
below
win.
right now.
Let's remind them who's racing.
So we have Ocean Swirl, Crazy Cat's Eye, and Slime Swirl.
Okay, and why don't we clear the board so we can write down the new times?
Yeah, let's just write
Or you want to do it next time? We
First
can just write it
place.
next time.
second place, third place.
There you go. And we'll just write the names. But we'll have to keep track of the time.
Ocean Sword.
Okay.
Ocean Sword.
Okay, so Ocean Swirl's up first. He had the fastest time, 6.41. See who wins.
Okay, give me a good countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
False start.
False start.
Okay.
Hold on, we will do that again. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! He's going fast. Hey!
Wow, really fast time.
Beat his record!
Beat the previous number. It's
Ow!
6.36 seconds for Ocean Swirl.
Okay,
Ocean
we're gonna put that
Ocean
right under
Swirl.
the numbers.
Okay,
So then we're gonna
so
just
we'll know
keep
what order they're going in. Now the second fastest time was
It was
Slime Swirl.
Slime Swirl with a time of 6.75.
Okay, so we're gonna do Slime Swirl. And once again, I need a good countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
that's not good. We gotta.
One more until disqualification.
Yeah, that's
And there's only a
that's a tough thing to do in the final round. Disqualify
I know.
yourself. We hope that doesn't happen. Okay.
3, 2, 1,
one.
go!
Marbles.
Hey!
Ooh, good time, but not good enough.
Yeah!
6.80. 6.80 for the slime swirl.
Slime swirl.
Now the question becomes, can
Crazy Cat's Eye
Crazy Cat's Eye
third place in the thing? Can he get second and possibly first? You
We'll
guys
see.
voted Crazy Cat's Eye. Scream at the screen.
All right, let's reset the timer and get this timer reset. Come on, timer. All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Full start.
Full start. Okay, let's try it again.
3, 2, 1, go! There you go.
It's
Go down.
off to a good start.
Oh! One away from disqualification.
Fell out of the track.
Right now, he's in the finals. He does not want to get a disqualification. He has a chance to get second place and possibly first.
Or maybe third if he gets disqualification.
3, 2, 1, go! Kenny Biggies.
Can he beat his record?
Wow.
6.43!
6.43. Good enough for second place.
Let's go!
But the winner
It's Ocean
is
Swirl!
Ocean Swirl.
Let's go! Okay, I'm just gonna do abbreviation for Crazy Cat's Eye.
Okay, so CCE is in second.
C, C, E.
And
And then
OS, Ocean Swirl is number 1.
S. And then.
And finishing in third is Slime Swirl.
And just because we have no use for this anymore, let's do the big marble.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's see if it works.
And we're gonna time him. If he beats first place,
He's in first place.
You think? Okay, hold on. Let me reset the timer.
Alright guys, I don't want this to break and it breaks.
Okay, this is like a, what is this? This is a consolation run here.
well, it's just really
Look,
hanging.
it's barely, it might get stuck in there somewhere.
3,
Okay.
2, 1, go! Okay, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh,
Whoa.
Whoa, that's fast.
What?
oh, oh.
It got stuck like we thought, and hey, that was a slow run. 9.58.
Let's try that one more time.
Okay, we're gonna give him another chance. All right, ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Okay, go.
Oh, off the track.
Okay.
I must say, going slow. Hey, how was this? How was this challenge?
This is awesome.
What'd you think of our marble track experiment?
Rate it 1 out of 10 down below. Okay, let's try to race all of them.
Okay, I'm just gonna film this and just see what happens. Okay, ready?
Go. Oh, who's in the lead?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
We had a swirl! We had a blue swirl! Blue swirl! How? What? Blue swirl won too?
Blue swirl finished first
And
again.
is anybody stuck?
Oh, there was one stuck.
Really?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's all of them.
Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this experiment. You guys want to sign off?
If you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe, and click to do.
Big cleanup to do. All right. See you later.